I am Richa of Standard 11th from DAV Public School, Itwanagar, Begusrai. Today I want to share about my likes and dislikes. First of all, I want to share about my likes. I love watching cartoons. I love photography. I like traveling and I love making drawings, paintings and sketches. And now about my dislike. I don't like those people who cause harm to our society and environment.
Good morning, teacher and my dear friends. I am here to introduce myself. First of all, lots of thanks to all of you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Divya Kumari. I am basically from Lakhisrai but presently living in Begusrai. My hobbies are singing songs. I love sleeping. I like to play kho which helps me to be energetic. I like to do poetry and writing some social issues and reading about them. I like to travel a lot and visiting new places. Thank you.
And my dear friends, today I am here to share my likes and dislikes with you. I like to playing basketball many of times and sometimes playing musical instrument and helping the people who are in trouble. And my dislikes are never cheat from anyone. And my aim is to be a basketball player in an Indian team. Thank you so much.
This is Ankita Kumari and I completed my CBSE 10th board from DA Public School in Begusrai, and I started studying in this school from nursery. So I am here to tell you all about my likes and dislikes. My likes are that I like to make origami things. Origami means things made up of paper. So like this, a small book which is made up of paper, a small cup which is made up of paper, small cubes which are made up of paper, and these two pen stands which I made from paper. So I like to make origami things, and I also like to visit our all historical places of India. And my only one dislike is I don't like those type of person who don't help anybody. Thanks for watching.
Very good morning to you all. Thank you for this opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Anjali Kumari and I came from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Begusrai. Today I am here to share my likes and dislikes with you all. My favorite game is Kabaddi and I am a national player from Patna region. I want to become a CA. My hobby is drawing and I most dislike those person who cheat others. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Sonal of Standard 11A, is going to introduce myself. I completed my 10th from BRAV Public School. My hobbies are to read books, to play badminton, to listen music, and I even love cooking in my free time. But I really hate eating vegetables. And my aim is to serve nation and humanity as a doctor, and I am working on it. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all present over here. I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Sakshi Kumari and my hobbies are cooking and listening music and many more. And my favorite game is cricket. Let me tell you about my schooling. I pass out from Mount Lutta Public School and now I am in Itwa DAV. I am very happy and excited. And my interesting thing about me is I help needy people. I am a kind of person who believe in honesty and punctuality, because honesty is a best and expensive gift. Does not expect it from cheap people. And that's all. Thank you all once again and have a nice day to you all.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Anupma Kushwaha. I am recently studying in DAV Public School, Begusrai. I have completed my 10th standard from Gujarat board. Today I would like to introduce you with my likes and dislikes. So, firstly, I like to listen music. I like to read storybooks. That is, I prefer mostly to read Hindi books. My favorite Hindi author is Munshi Premchand. Third, I like to watch television. Some of my dislikes are dishonesty, that is not to be honest. Second is superstition, that is false faith. And third is backbiting. So, this activity has been guided by our class teacher, Preeti ma'am. Thank you for listening, my friends. Thank you.
All of you, this is Anupam Kumari of class 11. I have completed my class 10th from St. Joseph Public School and then I have joined DAV Public school near Itwa. Today I am here to tell you something about my likes and dislikes. My like is to listening music, dancing, painting, studies, reading books and playing with children. I also like to do gardening. I like to eat ice cream, chocolate biscuit, and I also like to visit new places. And my dislikes are I dislike the people who always think negative. I dislike the person who always pollute the environment, and I dislike to be being late. Thank you.
I am Prachi. I completed my 10th from this school only, that is our DAV Itva. I love reading new books, collecting knowledges and listening music. Music gives me inner satisfaction. I have also some weaknesses as well, like I sometimes have lack confidence, but as we all know that no one is perfect. So I will improve these things and will definitely grow in my life. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am Rajkan from 11th standard. Recently I passed from Tegra DPS and now I am a student of DAV Public School, Itwanagar, Begusrai. Here I am introduced to my like and dislike. My like is playing to cricket and listening music, and in free time writing a story, and my only dislike is vegetable of brinjal. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Akshita Singh and I am from class 11th. I have completed my 10th from ICC board in 2020. I belong to Begusarai, Bihar. I want to become a journalist. I like listening to news and being updated with recent events. I don't like my laziness sometimes. Thank you.
I am Isha Parikh of Standard 11 Science from J Public School, Itwanagar, Begusrai. I have some likes and dislikes. Starting from my likes, I love writing and reading books and stories. I like to travel, clicking picture. I love to spend my most of time with animals, birds, nature, and I love to feed animals and taking care of them also. Now dislikes, I don't like to tell lie, I don't like to eat non-veg, and lastly I don't like the pain which humans are giving to nature and animals nowadays.
I am Sahil Raj from class 11A. I want to say what I like and unlike. First of all, say what I like. I like reading book. I like watching TV. I like traveling from a train. And unlike, I don't like bitter guard. I don't like rainy season. And
hello everyone. I am Keshav from DAV Public School, and today I am here to share my likes and dislikes with you. That is an ESL activity guided by our Preeti ma'am. First I am going to tell you about my likes. I like singing, riding bicycles and painting. So there are some of my dislikes also, and I dislike those fool person who never speak the truth and those hunters who kill the animals or birds for their own purposes. That's all. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Vikraj of DG Public School, Begusrai. I am here to tell about my likes and dislikes. My hobbies are as follows. I like listening music. I like playing games from phones. I like watching Bollywood movies on television. And my dislikes are as follows. I don't like to talk with others on phone for a long time because it really irritates me. And I don't like to waste time on social medias like Facebook and WhatsApp.
My name is I am in Itwa Davis School in class 11. I want to talk to you all of you about my dislikes and likes. First of all, my likes. I want to explore new places, adventures, tours, and I want to hang out with my friends. This is my most likely thing that I want to do. And the only dislike that I have, that I hate people who have a negative thinking about me. That's all. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Ansupriya of standard 11th and I had passed my standard 10th from my school DAV Itwa, and I have learned so many good things from my respected teachers. Thank you so much for that. Now I want to tell you about myself. I am a different personality person with lots of anger and happiness, and I like playing cricket and dance both, and I also like to help people, and I also love the people who help others. So please help the needy one. I one and the only one thing that I doesn't like is social media. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm Saurabh Singh. I'm 16 years old. I am basically from Uttar Pradesh. Talking about my schooling, I have done my 10th from Rainbow Modern School Gazipur and I have taken admission in DAV Itwa for class 11th and 12th. Talking about my likes and dislikes, I just love to listen to music. I just love to watch sci-fi movies. I just love to play with my friends. I just love to spend time with nature. Talking about my dislikes, I just don't want to read the same book again and again. I just don't want or let someone to hurt the nature. After all these, I would like to thank Preeti ma'am for giving a fresher such an opportunity to let him tell his friends about him. So, thank you, ma'am.
Warm good morning to one and all who present here. Today I was sharing my hobbies, like and dislikes to all of you. Special thanks to Preeti ma'am who is giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Ria and I read in class 11th standard. I recently passed out my 10th from DAV Public School, Begusarai. Each and every people has one's own like and dislike, and I am also a part of life. Some of my favorite things are singing, dancing, acting and painting. I don't interested to telling a lie or listening it and wander anywhere. I attend my life on the basic of my own dictionary. Thank you for listening me.
Hello everyone, my name is Mansuras from Standard 11. I used to live in Begusarai. I haven't completed my Standard 10th from Don Bosco Academy. Now recently I have taken admission in DAV Public School. My hobby is to listen music. I like to play cricket and I don't like to waste time on social media. Thank you.
Hello, I am Aman, ambitious, passionate, sometimes funny, and a mischievous boy as well. I was enrolled in DAV Public School Begusarai for my primary and middle educations. But now I am continuing my intermediate education from the same splendid school. I live at Sabora with a joint family, and that's the beauty of joint family that I never needed a friend. In spite of that, there are some friends who are just as mischievous as me. Most of my time spends on reading books, but sometimes I just can't wait myself for watching amazing animes. Death Note is my favorite anime, and if you will watch even a single episode of it, you will be its biggest fan too. I believe that we should live our life in an exciting and interesting way. So I always try to make each moment interesting by adding some humorous flavors in it. That's it. It was merely a brief introduction of me. I am eager to hear about you all too.
Namaste everyone. My name is Anurag Kumar. I belongs to Begusarai itself. In my family, apart from my parents, I have 3 elder sisters, a younger brother and a dog. I am in 11th standard. I love to do everything. As you all can see here, my hobbies are to listen songs, singing, sketching, reading, helping, pet caring and so on. And you will see one more thing. For my badge, I have drawn a triangle and put 3 stars in it. Means I am stars living with the stars. That's all about me. Thank you very much.
Myself, I am Kumar, and I am here to introduce myself with some of my hobbies, likes and dislikes. My hobbies are listening music and reading storybooks in the free time, and I also like to play cricket, chess and volleyball, and there are many other games also. But there are also some of my dislikes like sleeping till late in the morning or using the mobile till late night, and there are many also. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am Guriya Kumari, 10th passed from CD Fort Public School. Today I will introduce you about myself. First, my introduction starts with my likes. I like worshipping the God most. Secondly, I like visiting all monuments, historical places. Third, I like being in natural places like seas, rivers, mountains. Now my dislikes are, I dislike gossips in class. I dislike non-sentimental person and
Hello friends, myself Kyan Prakash. Today I will tell you about my likes and dislikes here. So let's start. Friends, I love playing cricket. I also like to read books and I like to play mobile games in my spare times. Now my dislikes. I do not like hang out at all. I don't even like to watch televisions. So friends, these were my likes and dislikes. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself is Kumar. I am a student of DV2. I studied here since class 3 and here I learned a lot of precious things. As today we are here to talk about my likes and dislikes. So friend, I like swimming, tech talk, not it is TikTok, it is technology talk, and also a little bit interest in history. And I don't like those people who uses others as a mean of their profit. Thank you. Have a very nice day.
Namaste. Myself Kritarth Bharti. I am standing in front of you all to describe myself. First of all, I would like to say that I am passionate about singing. In other words, I want to say that singing is my life. Now I am gonna take you all to my previous journey. I have passed my class 10 from DAV HFC. I have got only 72% marks, but I am okay with it because I know it very well. Marks can't decide my future, or we know it very well, marks cannot decide our future. But what I had got in class 10, I supposed to be too much more better than that I have got in class 10. At last, I would like to say that I am a shy as well as introvert natured guy. I love everyone, even my haters. Thank you for being with me.
Kumar and I am a student of class 11A. Today I am here to tell you something about my likes and dislikes. I like to play cricket and also I like to play some mobile games, and I don't like to wander here and there.
Wishing you all a very fantastic good morning from core of my heart. Let me introduce myself. This is Sambhavi Anand and I come from Vikas Vidyalaya Dumri, passing out 10th. Now I am student of class 11 in DAV Public School, Itwa, Begusarai. Now I am going to discuss my likes, dislikes, hobbies and all. I like to read Hindi novels in my free time. When I feel stressed or boring, I listen songs, then I feel charged. I like to live my life with simplicity and spend my time with only me. I don't like anyone admit in my life without my permission. One of my big quality is that I don't believe in anyone easily. I don't know is this good or bad, but this is my quality. I love to take part in debate competition, speech, hosting a program, etc. Writing poems in Hindi is also one of my hobby during my free time. Thank you.
Hello, I am Shivam Kumar of class 11 from DAV Public School, Itwa Nagar. I live in Bishnupur, Sarvodha Nagar, Begusarai. My hobby is computer programming. I like watching WWE sports and paintings, landscapes. I am interested in computer engineering. If I got a chance, I also want to serve my nation. I don't like those people who pollute our society. That's why, thank you, Jai Hind.